Good morning, B Stav Fishing Nation. It is Monday, the 29th of August. We are on the countdown. Holy mackerel, I can't believe it's just, I can't believe it's the end of August already. But anyway, 75-degree water. It is 8:17 in the morning. I got high tide. Is it 9:30-ish, give or take? I'm going to head offshore. I'm going to head out to the TI Reef and see what we can do for some flounder. I was hoping to have a video put out for you last night on Sunday, but my app is messing up again, so I'll get that one squared away. I'm gonna have to redo that entire video on a different movie maker. We'll get that out, and I got some minnows. I have some green crabs, and we're gonna give it a shot. It is gorgeous out today, and very, very calm winds throughout the rest of the day. And hopefully I'm gonna be met with flat seas. I might even meet Big Ed out there. I came down to the dock, and his boat's already gone. So let's see. Like, subscribe. Let the man upstairs know you're still here. Let's go fishing. Alright, B Stav Fishing Nation. A little rougher out here than planned. 2 to 3 footers. 2 to 3 foot swells, about 5 seconds apart. So I'm just taking my time getting out here. I'm hoping she lays down. This is one of those trips on the way out where I sincerely wish I had a 23-foot V-bottom and not a 23-foot modified tri-hole skiff. I'm taking a beating, but it's all worthwhile. B Stav Fishing Nation. My plan was to start out doing a little flounder fishing and then transition over to Tog. However, the flounder fishing just didn't materialize. I had one tail bitten off a Gulp, and that was it. And this became a Tog video. All right, so far we haven't done much of anything here. One hit, took a tail off. That's about it. All right, I'm gonna try my hand at a little Tog fishing out here. These swells are pretty big, so I don't know how well I'm gonna stay over top of this structure. I hit spot lock over top of it, but I'm not seeing the structure down there now. I'm seeing pieces of it, but not what I originally thought I was parking over. Well, I'm not having the best of luck, and I attribute it to the jig. Not necessarily the brand and model, but the weight. It's an S&S John Skinner Tog and Porgy jig, but it's at least 2 ounces. And to be quite honest with you, it's way too heavy. I didn't make it to the tackle shop to buy a couple lighter ones. I like to fish anywhere between 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces. And this one here is definitely too big. However, I eventually make the switch over to an S&S white chin wrecker, 1 ounce, and it will make all the difference. The piece that I was fishing on was pretty flat, pretty evenly flat. And find something tall. I'm making a move. I'm going to find something that's taller, that's got the potential of holding more fish, more nooks, more crannies. Yeah, let's make a move. See if it pays off. Damn it. Ran into the wreck. Man, I just got run into the wreck. Just got run into the wreck. Whew. All right, that's a start. Start building a bite out here. Man, ran me into the wreck. Still got a piece of crab on there too. Let's see. Ran me right into the wreck. Come on, big Togalicious. Come on, big Togaloggy. Oh, out of its mouth. I had it. I had fish on. Darn. Come on. Come on, there's still a little piece. Pick it up. Still, it's back. They're back. fish on. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? Oh man, I felt something starting to swim off with it. Some chum over there, some chimmage. Oh, you almost got me, little creep. No, stop. Uh-oh. You got the line all wrapped in you. Oh, come on now, buddy. Hopefully I didn't cut any of my line here.
Yes, that is a dropper loop you see dangling above my jig. So I got lazy and I'm using the same rig and setup that I use for flounder fishing. I just took off the bait holder hook there on the dropper loop and I'm using my Tog jig on the bottom. But it still works.
Drove me into the wreck. Are you going? Drove me into the wreck. Come on. You still on there, buddy? Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, that's not even moving. The only thing I could hope is that it's all hooked into a fish. I don't feel any head shakes, nothing. I don't feel any head shakes. The only thing I could hope is that it's hooked into a fish and it swims itself out. Damn it. Yeah, I mean, that's in solid. That is in solid. There's no movement. Darn it. Come on, baby. Swim yourself out. Just try up here, pull you this way. See if pulling you this way will do it. Negative. And that thing hit and get. I got nothing. That thing is stuck. Oh boy, B Stav Fishing Nation. I think I might be calling it after this. I don't need this nonsense. Out. Out. Wow. Whatever that was drove me straight into the wreck. Line's good. Drove me straight into the wreck. We're going to leave that little piece on there. God almighty. Drove me straight in the structure. All right, we got one on. Oh, saw the sun and started to get upset. Oh man, whatever it is, it's small. Wow, I'll tell you what, not that small for a tog. It's a good sized tog. Little female togalicious. It's not going to keep, but man, she's a football. She is a football. All right, hang on there. Oopsie doopsie. There we go. Back in. Man. So there are tog. Alrighty, let's build a bite. Let's build us a bite here. Wow. Clean me out. Cleaned me out. See if I got a smaller one sitting in here somewhere. Goodness, I guess I don't. I guess I do not. Oh, I don't. I'm gonna give a white chin wrecker, S&S white chin wrecker, a chance here. See what that happens there. It's lighter. It's only an ounce. It's gonna be tough, but let's just see what that does. Let's go just a little light, because this is not an ounce and a half. I have good luck with ounce and a half, but this is not ounce and a half. I need to go buy more. These S&S. Johnny Skinner. Tog and porgy jigs.
I got hit, I missed him, went right back down, watched the rod tip. And that would be a GoPro YouTuber camera faux pas. I turned the camera off after the hook set. Stupid. Little tog, but we're starting. Think about it. I dropped down from a 2-ounce jig to a 1-ounce jig, and I'm starting to hook up pretty quickly.
That's a fish on. Not big. Not big at all. Back that drag off a little bit.
If you've seen any of my older tog videos, you'll notice I lock my drag all the way down for the initial hook set and to get the tog up off the structure. And then once I'm clear, I back the drag off and fight the fish accordingly.
Oh, you might. I don't know. You've been hooked before. Nah, you're not 13. Looking sea bass though. That's fish on. Feels like a little stronger fish. Another female tog. Not going to keep. The moment I went lighter though, guys. Lightened up my jig and my hook sets. Everything increased exponentially. Another female. Oh, lost her ass. You lost your ass. You lost your tuppence. Saving the day a little bit here, right? Saving the day a little bit here. There we go. Man, this is small. If I still have it. Yep, still have it. It's going off to the side. Small lady tog. Oh, they're getting smaller. Super. Instead of getting bigger, they're getting smaller. Getting smaller. Fun to catch though. My flounder trip turned into a tog trip. Won't be the first time. Won't be the last. S&S, 1 ounce white chin wrecker. And I'll be honest with you, it's wrecking them. Wrecked them, damn near killed them. That's what it's doing, guys. And listen, flat out, John Skinner commented one time on his last year on his channel and basically told me, yeah, Bob, you got to lighten things up. You're going too heavy. And he's 100% right. That's living proof. Those S&S Skinner tog and porgy jigs are one of my favorites for out here, and one of my most productive. And it's just what I'm using was just too heavy. Mind you, now if you have bigger fish, well, bigger fish are won't have much of a problem. And I got hit right away. I won't have much of a problem picking that thing up and taking off with it. Oh, it took me right into the wreck. Oh, I felt that it was still on there too, you creep. Took me right into the wreck. Oh my God, again it did. I might be in there for good this time. I don't want to lose that color. I like that color jig. Oh boy. I just don't know if I'm still got a fish on there. That was back-to-back hits into the wreck. Swim yourself out. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Gotta watch these swells. This is how Big Ed broke his rod. Got caught on these swells. Next thing you know, that extra 1 foot of bend, 2 foot of bend, you know, one. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting this one out. That fish is still on in the wreck. There it is. There it is. Oh, that's a better fish, guys and girls. That fish was still on in the wreck. Better fish. Felt like a better fish. Oh, much better fish. Like I'm having tog for dinner fish. Uh-oh, oh. Let's try to put it. I think I'm having tog for dinner.
If there is anything for us to learn from what just happened here, B Stav Fishing Nation, it is don't be too quick to try and break off and retie when you get hooked and driven into a wreck. Work that
like I'm having
fish.
for dinner,
If it's on there, he's going to come out of the wreck one way or another. Worked out, and I got
build the
dinner.
bite. That's a nice tog. Absolutely having tog for dinner. 15 inches. We'll take it. We will take it.
Limit is 15 inches. And this tog was 16 and a quarter.
All right, Curly. All right, take it easy. Take it easy. Actually, we're gonna have to go with. We're gonna have to go with a Cull tag. Get this all squared away. We're building a bite and they're starting to get bigger. We're going to need to cull our fish. I'd prefer to keep a male, not a female. I don't think that's my buddy. I don't know. Is that my buddy? Nope, that's a Parker. I thought that was Jersey Fresh. All right, I'm being infiltrated, guys. Good job. Good job.
It's funny, I thought this was my buddy Brian Sheridan on his newly refurbished Aquasport Osprey, the Jersey Fresh. Unfortunately, it wasn't. I haven't seen him out there. He had some motor troubles, got a new Suzuki on the back, and he's rocking and rolling. Anyhow, it turns out these guys, we do know each other. We fish in the same tournament, have a mutual friend in Captain Jerry, and I told him, listen, you know, I'm building a bite. Things are starting to pick up here. I just put one in the box. I was literally over the piece of structure that they were hoping to set up on. So, listen, I'm not, you know, pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Pull up next to me. We got spot lock. I don't care. Brian and I have done it before. We'll literally fish right next to each other. If we bump boats, what's a little gel coat amongst friends, right?
All right, guys, fish home. A lot of small fish. And these. So guys, I talked to you about spots and all that stuff. So these gentlemen just pulled up on me and happened to be, I'm literally on the spot that they want to be on. So I'll tell you, you know what, I'm starting to build a bite. I'm not going to be here all day. Spot lock next to me. I have no problem with that. I really don't. You know, a weekend, yeah, you got a problem. Day like today, no way. It's funny, when you guys were pulling up, I thought you were a buddy of mine, Jersey Fresh. Have you ever seen him out here? And I mean, we would literally, I mean, we'd almost tie a rope to each other. Good news is, guys, I got 2 crabs left, so. Yeah.
I lost spot lock. You'll see me playing with the remote. So let me ask you guys a question. Those of you that have Minn Kotas and have spot lock, do you think because another Minn Kota, boat with another Minn Kota and navigational directional hockey puck, do you think we were throwing each other off and they kind of like interrupted my GPS signal? Because I couldn't hold the spot anymore. So it actually worked out for them. Or were these guys Russian spies and they had some type of GPS scrambler?
Yeah. Oh, come on now. Feel better? Feel better? Man, look at the belly on that thing. So all my crabs are coming out too. You can see crab coming out of it. I'm wondering if our, they shouldn't be interacting. One shouldn't shut off, like yours shouldn't shut mine off, should it, right? That don't make sense. That was weird. I've been good all day. Now I've been running it hard, but that's weird that just started to shut off. Right. Alrighty, B Stav Fishing Nation. So that was a crazy little trip. Didn't do anything with flounder fishing. Had one tail bit off. God only knows what that was. So we figured, let's, you know what? Found some spots out there, some new structure that I didn't have before, you know, this year. Why not anchor up on it, hit spot lock, and sit tight on it and see if we could build a tog bite. And eventually we did. And coming home with a pretty nice tog. And hey, all good, all good. What's happening?
25 inch today.
Oh, nice, 25 inch out front or back here? That's awesome, congratulations. That's awesome. So, just got wind of nice fish being caught still in the back waters here, so that's awesome. Yeah, I didn't do anything at the TI Reef. I haven't had much luck at the TI Reef on my boat right now for flounder, but I did have some luck with tog. Built a bite, couple tog, couple sea bass, and we got one behemoth in the box. So I'll be having tog for dinner. All right, guys, let's build a subscription. Let's get this channel to the front of the line. I need you to like. I need you to please subscribe. I need you to ring that bell so you don't miss out when I post a video. I need you to say your prayers. And I need you to get out there and go fishing.